All right, we're going to do a vacuum video, and then we're going to do a carpet extraction. We had the upstairs neighbors had their hot water heater leak, and it went through our roof and started dripping from our ceiling fan and everything on our floor. So we had last Sunday that happened, and this is Saturday, so we had a mess. So we're going to clean up real quick. So we're going to do a vacuum video and then an extractor video with the Bissell carpet extractor. So anyway, here we go. Okay, now I'm going to tell you guys, as I wind up my cord, there's a lot of people out there that don't like Dyson vacuums. I get it. But if you don't like Dyson vacuums, you're missing out on, I think it's the most powerhouse vacuum. We got sanitary vacuums, and anyone that knows about vacuums knows they're ultra powerful. They compete with Kirby and all that. Well, this will compete with Sanitary, Kirby, Royal, all those brands. If you don't like Dyson vacuums, get over it, and trust me. Go to the store, go to Amazon. These are around $400, give or take. Go order one. I think it's possibly the best vacuum in the world. It's the strongest Dyson ever made. I don't know if anything could compete with it. And I've been using vacuums, with carpet cleaning for decades and decades. And this is a real workhorse machine. If you don't like it, like Dyson's, buy this. If you don't like it, ship it back. But buy one and try it out. You owe it to yourself to try one of these. Joe are you putting a link to it in Amazon?
I could.
All right, yeah, Joe will put it.
Here 4 minutes. If you want to, go ahead and pre-spray and make one big video.
Well, no, because I want to we're going to make a separate video, but I want to make 2 videos because some people don't want to see vacuum and some don't want to see extraction. So we're going to make an extractor video as well, sis. And that's getting ready to happen very well. For you guys, it's the next video. For me, it's going to be about 3 minutes and I'm going to start up. So anyway, that's it for the Dyson video for now. Go get one of these. You won't be sorry. Everything, they have a hair detangler, and they really do detangle the hair from the brush rod, but go get one and see it for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Anyway, thank you, and have a nice day.